guys, I am back with a new video, my Mehendi collection for beginners. In last 2 months I have practiced Mehendi designs and I like it to share with you. So these are my beautiful Mehendi designs. I have drawn these Mehendi designs on paper. If you like my Mehendi designs, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. During lockdown, I was getting so bored, so I started practicing Mehendi designs. I like to draw Mehendi very well. You can also practice Mehendi design by watching my video. If you want Mehendi designs tutorial, you can comment down. I will definitely make the video and share with you. More beautiful craft and drawing videos are coming soon, so stay tuned and press the bell icon. So whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification. To draw the Mehendi design, it is very easy. First take a white color paper, keep your hand on the paper, draw the outline of a hand with the pencil, remove the hand from the paper. Now you will see a shape of your hand. Now draw the Mehendi design as you wish. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel Prachi Creation and don't forget to press the bell icon. If you want to see my more Mehendi design collection, please comment down and tell me. So these are my beautiful leg Mehendi design. So these are my Dulan Mehendi shapes. I like to draw Dulan Mehendi very much because there are various shapes in Dulan Mehendi like Dula, Dulan, Ganpati and many much more. Mehendi designs I have drawn with henna Mehendi cone on the paper. When you draw the Mehendi with the henna Mehendi cone on the paper, you have to draw the Mehendi for 12 hours on the paper. Then only it will remain for many more time. There are various types in mehendis like Arabic mehendi, Dubai style mehendi, bridal mehendi, full hand mehendi, bangle style mehendi design and many more. If you want to follow me on the Facebook, the link is in the description. So these are mandala mehendi design. You have to draw this mandala circle on the back of the hand. You can also draw on the front hand. If you have liked these beautiful mehendi designs, please like my video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.